Current version is 3125. Using the newly launched Express 3.03 port card. Enter the F3 program. In ready state, click Auto Identify to obtain the family ID. Log error shows firmware acquisition failed. Click Terminal Mode to obtain T-level command. Enter /CQ. Feedback diagnostic port locked indicates a firmware lock. Click ROM tool and read the ROM using the default baud rate. ROM reading completed, we additionally back up the original ROM. Check CAP wrap and SAP before unlocking. Normal data indicates the ROM size is correct. Click Firmware Unlock. Information here means that current family should try Exchange Commands New or 2 mode if it is able to apply default Exchange Commands mode. Save the unlocked ROM, then write it to the drive. After power on, the terminal interface reports repetitive feedback similar to corrupted ROM. Except for the power indicator, other lights show a powered off state. Indicates that the current unlock algorithm needs to be paired with Exchange Commands 2 mode. Drive is ready, we obtain T-level and enter /CQ. Normal feedback indicates successful unlocking. Then refresh the firmware information of the basic state. Log errors are normal feedback, indicating that the corresponding data was not found for the current drive. Since the drive is ready, we recommend performing a full resource backup. Errors here can be ignored. Full resource backup will check the recommended system files by default. You can also separately backup copy 0 or copy 1 of all system files. If you want to restore the ROM, you must write back the original ROM. Drives using Exchange Commands 2 mode cannot be restored to original ROM via unlocked ROM. Please make sure to keep at least 2 ROM backups. Now we demonstrate how to complete the unlock using unlocked ROM with Exchange Commands 2 mode. Since the status light shows a powered off state after power on, it is easy to mistakenly assume the drive is not connected properly. We need to manually enter the program. Confirm the terminal feedback and observe if the terminal device is continuously blinking. Indicates that the terminal device is continuously receiving command feedback information. Manually select the family ID. If you don't remember, use boot code mode to obtain it. Selecting terminal mode will not send firmware reading commands. Directly click Exchange Commands New and wait for the drive to be ready. Refresh the firmware information of the basic state. You can operate normally after waiting for the acquisition to complete. Finally, you can select the original ROM and write it to restore the drive.